Right now, we learned that the Congress and the AAP leaders are in the final stages of possibly forming an alliance for the 2025 Delhi Assembly elections. In fact, 15 seats for Congress are 1 to 2 for the other India Alliance members, and the rest for AAP is what is being discussed as of now. This is the major news coming in from the political world today, is that the Congress and AAP are in the final stages of an agreement for a possible alliance for the 2025 Delhi Assembly elections. In fact, we learned from our sources that about 15 seats are likely to be allocated for Congress. Meanwhile, 1 to 2 seats will be for the other India Alliance members, while the rest of them will be for the AAP. Viewers, do note that earlier on the AAP had refused to partner or form an alliance with Congress, and the information that we're learning from the sources today are that the Congress and AAP are likely to be in the final stages as we speak, and they might possibly form an alliance for the 2025 elections. Viewers, I'd like to bring in my colleague Samiksha, who's joining us live from the newsroom. Samiksha, help us understand. Firstly, AAP refuses to partner with Congress. Now we learn from our sources that they might possibly go for an alliance with Congress itself. What other details do we have so far?
Well, that's right, Priyanka. You know, elections in the national capital are due before the month of February for the 70 assembly seats. Now, important to highlight here that the AAP had earlier made it clear that it will not be forming an alliance with any party in the run-up to the Delhi elections. But surprising turn of events there, we are now given to understand that the AAP has been in talk with the Indie partners. In fact, just yesterday only there was a meeting that was held between Sharad Pawar and Arvind Kejriwal. So it seems that there were talks that were held on the Delhi elections as well, the strategy meet, so as to say. What we are given to understand is that the Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party are in final stages of inking the deal on the seat sharing agreement. Sources tell us that 15 seats would be given to Congress if that pact is sealed, that is, and 1 to 2 to other Indie alliance partners. So yes, it's not just the Congress and AAP forging an alliance, but other Indie partners also who could be roped in to fight the Delhi elections for the 70-member assembly in the national capital. So yes, this is a speculation as of now, Priyanka. But yes, crucial that these talks are happening with AAP releasing, already having released its first list of candidates, which has list of 11 candidates. Just a quick recap. Sources tell us that in this deal, which is to be inked in a few days' time, the Congress is likely to get 15 to 20 seats, and there could be other Indie partners who could be roped in by the Aam Aadmi Party to fight the Delhi elections.